Today we will see how to find HCF of 30 and 45 using prime factorization method. Let us apply the below steps to solve the problem. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of 30 and 45 individually. The below are the steps to find prime factorization of any number. First, let us find the prime factorization of 30. Start dividing 30 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 30 exactly, we get 15. Again, start dividing 15 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 15 exactly, we move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 15 exactly, we get 5. Observe here, 5 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself because it has only one prime factor, that is itself. Since 5 divides 5 exactly, we get 1. As per step 2, please stop here since 1 is reached. Step 3. Collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 3 and 5. Therefore, the prime factorization of 30 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Got it? In the similar way, find the prime factorization of 45. As we have already solved many problems on prime factorization, I am skipping the steps and directly going to the answer. So, the prime factorization of 45 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Got it? Now, let's move on to step 2. Identify the common prime factors of 30 and 45. Observe here, 3 and 5 are the prime factors that are common to both 30 and 45. So, the common prime factors of 30 and 45 are 3 and 5. Got it? Step 3. Multiply the common prime factors. In this case, the product of common prime factors is 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 15. Therefore, HCF of 30 and 45 equals 15. Got it? This means that 15 is the greatest positive integer that divides both 30 and 45 exactly without leaving any remainder. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.